Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful golden clutch for weddings and festivals. So these are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this beautiful gold clutch. Make a note of all the requirements and let's get started. So I'm using this clutch which I bought for rupees 80, and you can also use the old clutch if you don't have the new clutch, but I really got it for just 80 rupees, so it was very cheap for me. And to decorate it, I'm using this decorative stone sheet. If you don't have decorative stone sheet, you can also use simple stones and you can stick them individually. The decoration part is completely up to your choice. You can decorate it with stone, you can also decorate it with lace. So once I have removed the original the decoration that it already have, I'm using the glue gun here. Hot glue gun works perfectly fine with like attaching this, because it works really very fast and the bond is really very strong, so you will not have to worry like if the decoration will come out. So I would really suggest you to use a really hard glue or really strong glue for this. So as you can see, it is pretty simple. You just have to apply hot glue and then press down the sheet so that the bond is really very strong and it is not coming out. It is really very simple, guys. As you can see, I have this decorative sheet, so it was very simple for me. But if you don't have this decorative sheet, you can just use any kind of decoration. You can stick stones individually, or you can use lace, or you can use anything that you have with you. You can also use mirrors. That also looks very beautiful. So as you can see, I'm just applying a good amount of hot glue gun and I'm just pressing the decorations down to settle them up, and I will just use scissors to cut off all the excess. I will just leave small part on top of it, so that as you can see that my purse is little bit of circular on the top. So to make it perfectly fine, I'm just cutting it in a perfect line. And to cover all the top part which is not covered with the decorative lace, I have just cut a beautiful stone from the sheet itself, and I'm just sticking on top part of it. You can just leave it like that. It is completely up to you. This decorative sheet, if you want, I bought it from a craft shop, and if you don't have it, you can use anything else. But if you want to see where I buy it, you can just let me know in the comments down below. So guys, this was it. This is how I make a very beautiful clutch for wedding. You can carry it on your own wedding, or you can use it as a guest as well. It was really very easy for me to make, and it gives a perfect look for your old clutch or a new simple clutch as well, and it completely transforms your old clutch. So if you like this video, guys, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.